Don't look surprised. Your friend's suit is basically a giant tracker.
And we happen to know somebody who's very good with a computer.
You brought your little friend with you. How typical.
It's not too late, Laurel. Don't do this.
That song of yours is getting a little old.
Laurel.
God, you're here too.
Do you know what Shadow Thief is planning to do with that device?
Yes. Sell it for a lot of money, of which I get half.
Who do you think she's gonna sell it to? The Girl Scouts? The device is gonna be used to kill people.
Well, that's not really my concern now, is it? Move.
No.
Seriously? Felicity, don't you think you're just a little bit out of your element?
That is correct. I know that. But so are you.
Oh, for the love of God, would you give it up already? This is who I am. Do you not see that?
Who I see is someone that I believe in and someone that I really care about.
Felicity, what are you doing?
Forget living up to Laurel's legacy and forget being who Lance wanted you to be. What do you want?
I want you to get out of my way.
I guess if you're okay with that device killing people, you may as well start with me.
Me too.
And me.
I changed my mind. The deal's off.
I kinda expected. Good thing I had a backup plan.
We have to get out of here. Let's get the payload device big enough to clear out the building.
Yes, the problem is we're inside the building. That's exactly why they won't be expecting it. How long do you need to arm it?
90 seconds, but how are we gonna get out?
Let's fly, don't they? Let's buy some time.
Come on.
Time to go. Stay close. Is everybody okay?
You came back for me.
We're only as strong as we are together. Something I didn't realize till just now.
We are pretty badass together.
Yeah, like birds of justice.
Something like that.